Hello, Jessica. How are you? Why do you look so stressed?
Hey, I'm fine. Actually, I was just thinking about how I can reward my employees for the hard work they put in my company, so that they will feel motivated to work for more years in my company. Hey, Green, do you know any idea or ways to do so?
Hmm, is that so? How about allotting them some shares of the company?
Shares. I guess that sounds good. But can you elaborate a bit more on which type of shares I can allot to my employees?
Sure. See, employees can be allotted shares in two ways: sweat equity and ESOPs. Now, let's look into some significant differences between them so that you can have a better understanding about them.
Now, let us understand the difference between sweat equity shares and employee stock option scheme. We will try to understand the difference with the help of an example. Consider two companies A and B Limited where Raj and Tejas are working respectively. A Limited has been established for 5 years whereas B Limited is working from last 1 year. Raj is working as a director who provides know-how services to A Limited and Tejas is working as an employee in B Limited. A Limited decided to issue equity shares of company to Raj for his service of know-how. He paid rupees 20 per share for a share with face value of rupees 100. On other hand, B Limited issued equity shares to their employees including Tejas. The shares are to be purchased in future at a predetermined price of rupees 90 per share whose face value is rupees 100 per share and current market price is rupees 120 per share. Now the question arises that out of the above cases, which is ESOP and which is sweat equity shares? For the same, we will see some points distinguishing ESOP and sweat equity shares. Sweat equity shares are shares given against any specified services provided by any director, and ESOPs are shares provided to employees under employee benefit plan. Sweat equity shares is issued to employees or directors, and ESOPs are issued to employees, director, or any officer. Consideration for sweat equity shares should be other than cash, and for ESOPs it can be in cash. For sweat equity share, price should be decided by registered valuer, whereas there is no such guideline for ESOPs. Sweat equity share can be issued only after 1 year of establishment of company, but there is no time limit in case of ESOPs. Now we can conclude the answer for the question that had arisen above. E Limited is issuing sweat equity shares at discount to Mr. Raj because he is director of the company and is providing know-how services to the company. Also, A Limited is established for 5 years. B Limited is following employee stock option scheme because shares are issued at predetermined price to Mr. Raj.
So, Jessica, are you stress free now? Have you got the idea about sweat equity and ESOPs?
Oh, yes. I feel like this is the best solution to my problem. Now I have recognized the difference between ESOPs and sweat equity. Thanks a bunch, Green, for making me understand these concepts.
Oh, no worries, Jessica. So, now that you are stress free, how about having a cup of coffee?